Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zapier with Trello. So the first thing that you'll need to do is both go to Trello.com and also Zapier.com. Make sure to have an account, both an example on Trello or the logged in, and Zapier the same. If you're not, make sure to go and do so. So if you go to this list panel and click on the apps connection or app connections, as you said, you'll have to be logged in here. You'll have to click on add an example and connection, and you'll have to look for Trello. Click on Trello, click on add connection, and all you need to do is simply allow the connection. Of course, for you, they'll ask you to log in because if you're not logged in, I'm already logged in on another page, so they didn't ask me to. I'm just going to allow. And yeah, as you can see, no connection to Trello added. And that's how you basically add it to Trello. Now, how to use it, you can start, of course, or using it, creating some zaps. So, as example, you can go here and look for the Trello trigger. So as example, yeah, Trello. And the trigger event is example, I don't know, when you update a card, when you do a new activity, when you like add the card or something like that. So it's totally up to you. As example, when you do a new card, it should do something in another program. Maybe as example, send a message on Slack, send a message on Discord. It's totally up to you to do whatever you want. So as example here, like create a channel. No, I want just to send a message as example. So send a direct message or send like a channel message. It's totally up to you. So yeah, a channel message. You can choose the account, as example, login into it, and you can simply go and do the rest here on like Slack or Zapier basically, which is going to be like just connecting your accounts. Example here. So yeah, like this one in here. Click on continue. Choose exactly from which board, from which list. Here, example, choose on which channel, which message, and etc. Once you finish all of that, click on continue, click on publish, and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.